All right, in this lesson we are exploring inequality word problems. What we need to get good at in this lesson is translating the words that are used, words or phrases that are used, to the different inequality symbols. Again, the first symbol is a less than symbol, so if you see in the passage the words less than some number, you know that you're going to be using that symbol. If you see the word greater than some number, then you will use this symbol. And if you see the words less than or equal to in the passage, you would use this one. Greater than or equal to, you would use this one. But oftentimes there are other words and phrases that are used besides the names for those four inequalities. Like minimum. Minimum implies a greater than or equal to symbol. You may see the phrase more than. That infers a greater than symbol. At least implies greater than or equal to. No more than implies less than or equal to. And a maximum implies less than or equal to. Alright, so if we have the following passage, Derek wants to spend anywhere from $10 to $80 on a gift. Alright, that's an and compound inequality. So x is between the values 10 and 80, including both of those values, including the 10 and including the 80, so we should have bars under both inequalities. If the quiz scores were either under 65% or above 82%, we're not including the 65, so it should just be less than 65. And we're not including the 82, so it should be greater than 82. And the last passage, the average rainfall in the city is between 10 and 15 inches each year. We're not including the 10 or the 15, it's just between those two values. So we should have less than symbols before and after our x, 10 in the front, 15 at the back.